Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing Imethod Beauty Stamp their brow kit. Okay, so I'm so excited right now because like y'all know how I love the brows to be on fleek, like, and it says in seconds. You guys, let me show you guys the packaging on this because it's beautiful. Okay, it says perfect eyebrows in seconds. Imethod Beauty. Okay, like let's get into this packaging. Like they really took their time out for that. It says define yourself, like define your brows. Like what? I love that. Okay, so we're gonna be doing our brows with this today to get it together, and I'm gonna be showing you how to use this, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I have the color 2, so hopefully this goes with my complexion. Let's see. Okay, you guys, so it comes in this cute little kit. Like look at it with everything, the instructions, everything you're gonna need right here in the kit. So I really love that. Like wow. So we're gonna get into the packaging. So we have the stamp right here and the spoolie where you could just, you know, carve it out if you have any mistakes or anything like that. So the stamp is really cute and pink. And then we have the brush and the spoolie to, you know, brush the hairs up. So after that, we have the instructions, which we should always read first, you know. I'm gonna get that together. And we have all these little pieces to see what eyebrow can, you know, can fit you the best. And yeah, so we're gonna be seeing what eyebrow could fit me, you guys, because I don't know about that. And then we have the one of a kind Imethod brow pomade, and let's see if this color would match, and it would definitely match my color. Definitely. So let's get into this video and let's start. So the first thing I always do is set my brows. We're not going to skip this step. We're still going to continue to set our brows, and then we're going to go in with the pomade. Okay, you guys, so I got it together. I found my eyebrow shape, and I feel like this is the one that best matches my eyebrow shape. So what it's gonna do is all of those spots that you see that's empty is gonna fill those right in. Okay, pretty much. So let's get started. You just want to hold it like this. Hold on, let me get it together one more time. So what you're gonna do is just get your little pretty pom-pom thingy, the applicator, and you're just gonna dip some of that on that sponge and start stamping it on. Like it's really that easy and fast, you guys. Like I'm already in love. Like don't forget you could use my code for a discount off. I'm gonna put the links in the description below, but your girl got y'all. You know I got y'all. So we're just gonna put this here, right here, right here, right, and then we're just gonna tap that on, just like that, you guys. Tap that on, tap it everywhere that's an open spot. You don't have to worry about accidents or anything, just tap that on. Now watch the magic happen. I just know it's gonna be magic happening here, okay? Okay, you guys ready? Look at that. You could tell the difference, like, look. You could tell because my ending didn't really get a lot on the ending part, but look how darker it got from compared to this. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Like, this is amazing. I just need to get the end, which is like right there-ish. And then just tap that on. Oh my God, it leaves a Imethod. Wow, y'all is on to something because it just leaves a perfect brow. You don't really have to do too much, and I'm just so obsessed. Oh my God. Okay, so I cleaned the one off, and we're basically just gonna switch sides. Now I'm gonna re-dip it into the magic here because this stuff is like, do you see that? It looks like hair strokes, and I didn't even draw anything in yet, you guys. I feel like everybody should go pick you up one of these Imethod brow stamps. Like, this stuff is just magic, literally. Look at this. Look, let's do it one more time and really just line your brows into whatever is going on here. Line it up perfectly, and then just stamp it on, you guys. This takes no time to just stamp on, okay? Stamp it in. Okay, so now watch this. Oh my God, the perfect brow in seconds. I think I'm gonna use this forever, you guys. Do you see that? Like, even the ends came out straight. Like, oh my God. Wow. You just gotta fix it up like right here, but I'd rather that than having to draw the whole thing. Like, this right here is magic. Imethod, you did your thing, okay? Imethod, you did your thing. Go pick you up one. I have a code that's giving you 15 or 20% off, you guys. Like 15-20% off of this. You can't beat that. You get what I'm saying? So go run and pick you up one. Don't forget to use my code. That's going to be linked in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel because these brows is going to stay lit, okay? Like, I really, really love this. This is magic, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to come to you with my makeup, everything finished, and the brows Imethod. Oh my God. The brows.